In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your NMLS account or a nationwide mortgage licensing system. If you also have an account, then in this video, let me show you how you can easily log in. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. You can just search for NMLS login and it's going to directly show you the website from where you can log into your account. So you can click on this first link and it's going to take you to the login section. Now on the top right of the screen, you'll see an option called login. If you click on it, you're going to be taken to the login section. Now here you'll need to type in your username in the first box and type in the password in the second box. If you have forgotten your username or your password, you can recover it by clicking on forgot username or forgot password. Through this section, you can also create an account if you haven't already by clicking on request an account. If you're trying to log into your account first time, then make sure you read this instruction because it says right here, if you are a first time user, they will send you a temporary email address from where you can log into your account. So you can just type in your username and the password that they sent on your email. So once you type in both of these information, you can just click on login on the bottom and you'll be successfully logged in to your NMLS account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.